What is up, everybody? Today we have a chickpea zoodle salad in a jar. So we're going to dig into these ingredients and show you how to make it. All right, to kick it off, we have some olives, black olives here. We have some feta cheese. We have some zoodles, zucchini noodles, some chickpeas dried and strained, some arugula, some lemon, and some tomatoes.
So many ingredients, Grace. It's gonna be interesting getting it in a jar. But instead of doing a jar to go, we're going to have one right now, so we figured we'd put it in a large cup. Best thing about all of this is you just need a little bit of ingredients that you enjoy, and you're just kind of sprinkling them in. You don't really need to do anything. So Grace, are you gonna cut up some tomatoes for us?
Absolutely.
And explain some fun facts.
So the tomatoes are high in vitamin K, which helps with blood coagulation. We have lemons here, which are high in vitamin C, great for immunity and helps with heart health. Fun fact, back in the day, I guess lemons were really rare and people used to present them as gifts to one another. Didn't know that. So we're gonna add some lemons because these are a rare gem, rare beauty. We're gonna sprinkle these on top of our entire mixture here. We have some arugula, which is high in calcium and folate. It is great for your bones, and we all gotta eat our greens. So arugula. And the mixture that we have here, we have the chickpeas at the bottom. Feel free to change up the order if you wanna put, the arugula at the bottom and put the chickpeas in the middle, you can adjust that. So I'm gonna cut up some of our tomatoes here.
And I am going to explain the rest of the ingredients. So we have chickpeas as well. Like she said, they're at the bottom. You can mix them however you want. Chickpeas are great for protein. For those of you that are vegetarian, vegan, and you don't really like any meats, chickpeas are a great source for your proteins. We also have olives, and they have a lot of vitamin E inside of them. And then you have the zoodles, which are zucchini noodles. The recipe, we want a pasta kind of salad, but we're just making it without pasta because we're healthy over here.
For the zoodles, if you don't, you can buy them pre-spiralized. If you don't have a spiralizer at home, you can get them for pretty cheap. If you want to get your own spiralizer, that way you can just buy actual zucchinis and use your own spiralizer. Otherwise, you can get them pre-made. A lot of regular grocery stores will have them nowadays because they've become a lot more common and they're great to use in other recipes too.
I like them in like a shrimp scampi. Like instead of like a spaghetti, shrimp scampi with some zoodles, get you feeling feisty. So we have the tomatoes in here, and then I'm gonna put some feta cheese. Fun fact about feta cheese, is actually really good for your gut. So, oops.
Sorry,
I'm sprinkling more. So for those of you that, cheese is not like the best thing for your body, but this one is actually good for your gut and your digestive system. So,
and you can go light on the cheese too. If you want to just do it for a little bit of flavor, you don't have to add a lot of cheese.
I'm very sticky. So we have placed everything in our cup/jar. She's gonna drizzle some of the lemon juice to give it kind of a dressing, and you're pretty much finished and ready to eat it, and it looks delicious. So if you want more fun ingredients, recipes, things like this, fast and easy, you could have for lunch, dinner, whatever you'd like, click like, subscribe below, and check out all of our other videos.
Ooh yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.